Today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your app or on your Fastech app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to get Fastech premium. So then you just go down, click here on your name down here. You just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on get Fastech plus, just click on it here. Then here you select here if you want to add 1 month or 3 or 1 year. Then you just click here on continue here. So then here select price, then click on it here. So then it's going to show for you. So just switching to open video here, and here you add credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.